Hello Sixes. So hopefully you've already watched this video, you've found your own resting heart rate, and that's really just to have an interesting comparison so you understand what it is that we're measuring as we begin this. So that said, when you open the activity, this is the first thing you'll see, and I just want to start out with walking through the one question that I added to the worksheet, which is create a dot plot of the data that Mia recorded here. So Mia is a sixth grader at this middle school. She's thinking about joining the track team. She's read that Olympic athletes have lower resting heart rates than most people. She wondered about her own heart rate and how it would compare to other students. Mia was interested in investigating the statistical question, what are the heart rates of students in my sixth grade class? It's interesting that it's absolutely true. Most professional athletes have lower resting heart rates. I've even heard Lance Armstrong at the height of his career had a resting heart rate of 45, which is insanely low. Heart rates are expressed in beats per minute. So when you calculated your heart rate and you multiplied up, you were really finding how many times your heart beats in each minute. Mia knows her resting heart rate is 80, and you know your own also. She asked her teacher if she could collect the heart rates, and the teacher helped her get all the heart rates of the other 22 students, and here they are. I want to talk through just making a dot plot. So I'd made decisions. When I looked through here, I see 79 is the lowest value. I don't see anything below that, and I don't see anything that reaches up to 100. So I just made the decisions to start at 80 and go to 100, and I left myself space here to go down to 79. I didn't number everything, but I can kind of clearly space this out and see like 81, 82, 83, 84, and then we'll be above the 85. It should be easy to go through. So let's look at a dot plot of this data. We've got 89 then is going to be right there below 90. 87, maybe I have dots that are too big. Okay, 89. So 85, 86, 87 then would be like here with 88 and then 89. I like that. 85, great. 84. And so when you make your dot plot, you're expecting to just distribute your data. Each point is a data point. 79 is going to be just below 80, 83. So that's 84, 83. Maybe that's a little bit low, it's fine. 85 is going to stack up because that's our second 85. 86, 88, 84 is here, 81. And so you should be copying this into your worksheet as we go. 88, 85, 83, that's 83, and then another 83. 86, 82, 83, another 86, another 82, and an 84. Cool. So we can clearly see a large cluster of data. There's really no gaps. Like I guess we could say there's a gap at 80 because there is no 80, but it's not a very large gap. Our data is really heavily clustered. We definitely have a mode, I can see that. So take this dot plot, it should be copied into your work, and you can see too, my setup was fine, but I could have cut out some wasted space. If I had looked closer at the data, I could have probably had a more zoomed in, like better picture of what this data looks like, although the picture I have is already pretty good. Yeah, so this should go onto your worksheet and you'll go answer the rest of the questions just comparing heart rates. Using the things we've already learned, like measures of center and range. Best of luck, Sixes, and submit what you got at the end of the period. Talk to you soon. Bye.